Hello my dear students. In this chapter now we will discuss about if he has given any two linear equations, pair of linear equations. By comparing ratios of coefficients, we can check about how about the graph of both the straight lines and which type of solutions they contain. Just by taking one example also we will check it. If there is two linear equations, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 are any two linear equations, find a1 by a2. First of all we have to find a1 by a2 b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. Find the ratios of corresponding coefficients of the variables and then check about whether they are equal or not. If a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then if you represent on graph paper, how about their graph? If you represent on graph paper, both the lines must intersect with one another, intersecting lines. So if they are intersecting lines, how about solution? Number of solutions are, I am writing number of solutions. Number of solutions are how many common points? One common point only. So they contain unique solution. They contain unique solution. And next one, if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, that is equal to c1 by c2, that means all the ratios are equal. Then how about their graph? Here, if all the ratios are equal, both the graphs of straight lines must coincide with one another. So how many common points here? Infinite common points. Those all we are calling as solutions. So infinite solutions. So in both the cases, if ratios are not equal, if all the ratios are equal, then they must contain solution, maybe one or maybe many. So this type of equations, in these two cases, this type of equations we are calling as consistent. And here, if all the ratios are same, then those lines are said to be dependent also. Third condition, if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, but it is not equal to c1 by c2, then if you observe the graph, both the lines must be parallel, so there is no common points, so no solutions. That means there is no common point for the type of graph. So this type of equations are said to be inconsistent. Now we will see one of the example depends on these three types now. Here I am taking if x plus y plus 1 equal to 0 and x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. a1 by a2 equal to, here a1 means x coefficient in the first equation, 1 by 1, here also 1 only, so it is 1. And b1 by b2 equal to, Here y coefficient is 1, here minus 1. 1 by minus 1. It is minus 1. So a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. So they contain unique solution. Unique solution. Next, another example. Example 2. If there is x plus y plus 1 equal to 0, 2x plus 2y plus 2 equal to 0. Say I am multiplying by 2. First equation by 2, then I got second equation. Then what about ratios? a1 by a2 equal to, here it is a1, it is a2, 1 by 2. b1 by b2 equal to 1 by 2. And c1 by c2 equal to, that is also 1 by 2. So all the ratios are equal. a1 by a2 and b1 by b2 and c1 by c2 all are equal. So which type of solutions they contain? They are dependent lines. They contain infinitely many solutions. Infinite solutions. Let us see one example for parallel lines also. Example 3. If there is x plus y plus 1 equal to 0 and 2x plus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. What is a1 by a2 here? 1 by 2. 1 by 2. b1 by b2 equal to, again it is 1 by 2 only. And what is c1 by c2? c1 by c2 equal to 1 by 3. So here a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, but it is not equal to c1 by c2. So at this type of cases, both the lines must be parallel and there is no solution also. So no solution. I think you got very good idea about of by comparing ratios, which type of solutions they contain, how about the graph. Thank you. Bye everyone.